Class 3 Subject English Course Part. A very good morning to one and all. I hope you all are fit and fine. In a previous video, we have to done lesson number 8 opposites. Hope you understand well. So today we will learn lesson number 9 articles. So what is article? We will learn here. Okay, now what? Articles are words which point out some defined or indefined person or things. Now what? Repeat again. Articles are words. ARTICLES articles. ARER WORDS words. WH which. POINT point. OUT SOME some. Define. DEFINITE define or indefined. INDEFINITE defined or indefined person or thing. Okay. Now what? There are 3 articles. How many articles there? There are 3 articles. So these words that is a and the used to point out noun are called articles. Okay. Now what? A and an are called indefined articles. A and an are called indefined article as they are used to refer a particular person or thing. Now what? Repeat again. A and an are called indefined article. What? Indefined article as they are used to refer a particular person or thing. Such as example, look here, a doctor, an apple, etc. Okay. Now what? This is called the defined article because it points out some particular thing. Now look here example. He showed the doctor. Now what? He showed the doctor. It means some particular doctor. Okay. Now what? Okay. Now we will see where we have to use for a. Okay. Now number 1 is what? A is used with the words beginning with consonant sounds. You have to also repeat behind me. Now repeat again. A is used with the words beginning with consonant sound. Now tell me what is consonant sound? Tell me. Yes. Now tell. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are consonant sounds. Okay. Now what? We will see some example. Okay. Now what? A table. Here T is consonant. Yes or no? Yes. So what here use? You have to use here A. Okay. Now what? PEN. Pen. Other example is what? Pen. So P is what? Yes. Consonant. So you have to use here A. A pen. Okay. Now what? Pencil. 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 So P is what? Consonant. So we will use here a pencil. Okay. Now what? Is also used with the nouns which are singular but not specific. Okay. That means a comes before singular noun that begin with a consonant sound. For example, a woman. Here W is what? Consonant. So we will use here a woman. Okay. Now what? A man. M is what? Consonant. So we will use here a man. Okay. Now a chair, a book, a comb, a watch, a ball, a baby, etc. Okay. So these are example by using a. Okay. Understood? You have to always use by a where the words beginning with consonant sound. Okay. Understood? Now number 2 is what? An. Where we will use an? Where we will use an? We will see here. Okay. Now what? An is used before the singular. What? An is used before the singular and non-specific nouns which begin with vowel sound. So that means an came before singular nouns that begin with a vowel sound or a mute H. Okay. Now what is vowel? Who will tell? Yes. A, E, I, O, U. This is a vowel. Okay. What? Swar. A, E, U, A, O, A. This is vowel sound. Okay. Now look here example. Apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Now tell me, what is vowel here? Yes, A is vowel. So we will write here N. Okay. Now example number 2 is what? Egg. E-double-G, egg. Now tell me, what is E here? Yes, E is vowel. So we will write here an egg. Okay. Now look here, orange. O is vowel, so we will write here an orange. Okay. Ice cream. Now I is vowel here. Now we will write here. What we will write here? Yes, an ice cream. Okay. Done. Now engineer. E is vowel here. So we will write here an engineer. Okay. Now what? Ox. O is vowel. So we will write here an ox. Okay. A is vowel. So we will write here an animal. Okay. Done. Now look here, A or N. Now we will see A or N. The choice between A and N is determined by sounds. N is used before the words beginning with the vowel sound. Sometimes what happen? N is used before the words beginning with the vowel sound. Now look here, some example here. An ass. So, an egg. An ink pot. An owl. Okay, now we will see T-H-E, the. Now we will see where we will use for the. Okay, now what? T-H-E, the. The is a defined article. What? The is a defined article. It is used when we speak. What? It is used when we speak of a particular person. What? When we speak of a particular person or thing already referred to. Such as example, look at one example. The book you want is out of print. What? The book. Okay. Now what? The book you want is out of print. Okay. Now what? He is the boy who has won the gold medal. Okay. That means article the can be used before singular as well as plural noun. Okay, now what? This is used before the names of sacred books, newspapers, rivers, magazine, seas, ocean, group of island, mountain range, gulfs and things which are unique or one of their own kinds. Okay, now we will see some example where we will use of the. Okay, now what? Ramayana. Okay, now Ramayana is a specific name. So we will write here T-H-E, the Ramayana. Okay, now what? The Times of India. Now we will see here the. Okay, now what? Ganga. Now Ganga is a specific name. So we will put here the. We will write here the T-H-E, the. Okay, now what? The Arabian Sea. Okay, now what? The Indian Ocean. Okay, now what? The Himalayas. Okay, the sun, the moon. Okay, these are example of the. Okay, now understood where we will use the, a and n. Okay, hope you understood better. Now I am giving you self work. Open page number 26. Fill in the blanks with appropriate articles. Now look here. Ice cream, peacock, Taj Mahal, book, box, ink pot, ear, Ramayana, earth, pencil, comb, ice, computer, noodles and umbrella. Now you have to use here articles. Okay, this is your self work. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.